budget production.
Guys, we've been super weird, super off lately. A bunch of stuff has happened. I don't know where Johnny has said or left you at. I'm gonna give you a rundown real quick. Maybe my clip is better than his and we'll use mine. I got a camera person today, my daughter Alexi. Say hi. Alrighty, so I'm gonna hand it over to her and she's gonna walk around with me. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, first off, follow me. Are you following?
Yeah.
Okay, first of all, my dad's truck. I don't know what Johnny told you. Get closer. I don't know what he told you. Can you see the truck? Okay, I don't know what he told you, but they not rear end them. They backed into him, or they kind of, I don't know. It was weird. They ripped the bumper. They ripped it off. The grill, everything was messed up, so we put new grill, new surround, new everything, new bumper. We're working on the headlights now. My nephew Louis is in the background washing the truck now with my daughter Nina. On this one, update on this one. It's dirty right now, guys. Sorry about that. New visor, you guys know that. Maybe from the previous video or this video, I don't know honestly where we're at. But that's not the visor I wanted. They gave me the wrong visor. We're gonna switch it. That one's gonna be for sale. Finish the grill, surround, new side pieces, bumper, all that good stuff. We got a lot of old bumpers and a bunch of old stuff that we're going to be selling. I will post that on my IG, maybe when this video goes up, and I'll let you guys know. We'll see what's up. Alright guys, another thing is my dad went, because, well, like I said before, get closer. We need headlights for his truck, so he went to Rainey's today, I think it was, and he bought his stainless steel steps for his truck, and he surprised me with mine. So that's gonna be, I don't know if it's gonna be the same video or not, but we're gonna put those on too. Maybe next week, because we gotta get some signs and stuff done first before we do that. So shout out to Dad for the new steps. Alright guys, and now over here, follow me, Lexi. On George's truck, we are doing the new headlights, and we're currently taking the old ones off. There's nothing wrong with the old ones. Those might be for sale too, we don't know yet, but not right now, maybe in a couple weeks. So yeah, sorry about not recording that much. We've been super busy. On mine, I don't know if Johnny told you, my turbo went out last week, so we had to put a new turbo on that, and it was just a mess, a bunch of shenanigans going on. But we're here trying to do what we can, and yeah, we'll keep y'all posted. So guys, we got the lights done, and they look awesome. They came out awesome. All right, go ahead, show them. Can you see them? They look balls. George, hit the halos. Hey, can you see them? All right, hit the turns. Hey, that looks cool. I hope you guys like it. Let us know what y'all think, how they look. Come on, show them off, Alexi. I like you know what you're doing. There you go. Hell yeah. Hope you guys like it. Let us know in the comments. See how it is. Sorry about the camera angles. My daughter's, she's a newbie. She said she knew what she was doing, but I don't know if she does. And we'll keep y'all posted.
Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Here again with another video. Today, as you can see behind me, we're going to be putting a window right here. I'm putting a window on my dad's Peterbilt. He had the window for about a week. Ordered it from him. Now we're going to throw it on. He's getting a marker so I can mark this up. I already went ahead and taped everything up. Kind of got the basic idea where it's going to go. Just waiting for the marker. Measure everything, make sure it's centered. Dead in the center. cut it out, and go from there. It's pretty straightforward. I already done this in my Classic. Y'all seen the old video. Hopefully it goes pretty smooth. So we'll see what happens. Alright, got the window marked up. Went ahead and measured it and make sure everything was even, straight to the rivets on top. Looks pretty straight to me. Let me know what y'all think. Probably crooked, but sorry I'm shaking. So yeah, go ahead. My dad's taking apart the grinder now so I can use it. Or yeah, anyways, go ahead and cut the hole out and let's go from there. My dad already took apart the interior. There's no wires, nothing behind it, so it's pretty straightforward. Just gotta cut through here, go on the inside, cut through a couple brackets. Should be it. Throw the window on and go from there. Hopefully it goes pretty smooth. We'll see what happens and I'll update you in a little bit. There goes the old piece. ¿Ya quedó o qué? There he goes. Let's get in there, get in there. Cut the sleeper out, and my dad is cutting the little brackets off real quick, and that's it. After this, clean up around the edge, test fit the window, and go from there. As of right now, that's what it looks like. All right, Dad got the brackets all cut out. I'm gonna go ahead and go on the inside and show y'all what it looks like. It's kind of a mess in there right now, so it's not gonna look all that, but either way, bam. So it's kind of a mess, but y'all get the general picture. There's a hole there for a window. That's all that matters. ¿Lo tienes? Oh, okay. All right. Now you just gotta clean up the edges and go from there. All right, guys. Don't mind my science glasses. Either way, got it cleaned up. Got the window here. Let's see if it fits. Hopefully I can try to record and sorry if I'm shaking. Hold up. Y'all gonna go sideways for a little bit. Bam. There it goes. Hey. Let me know what y'all think. Hot as hell. Whew. There it is. So if you wanna take out the window now, cut the interior now that I can get to it right now and make it easier. That's the problem I had when I did mine. I did mine afterwards and it was a pain in the ass, so this is what I'm gonna do right now with the hole. Check out the window and the hole's out. I can kind of get an idea of where the cut is. Cut that out and then go ahead and start mounting the window to make it permanently stay on. So let's get to it and I'll update y'all as we go. All right, I got the edges cleaned up. I think I already said that. I cleaned around the edge, cleaned around the lip. I put the double-sided tape all the way around. Pretty straightforward. Go ahead and mount it, and it's just gonna stay there. And the rest of the work is from the inside until I'm done, so I can seal around the window from the outside. But for the most part, that should be it. Once I put the window on, it should stay there, and the rest of the work is from the inside. So let's get to it. Damn good. Looks real. Pretty straightforward. It's already on. Like I said, the rest of the work is from the inside. Pretty straightforward. And that's all I got to do. I already cut a little bit on the inside. You can kind of see through the window. Just a rough cut. Now I got to go inside, actually cut it. And honestly, that's about it. Seal the inside. And then put the inside back together. And then come seal the outside. And that's pretty much it, guys. Pretty easy. I know I didn't record much because as last time because I already did it. It's one of the older videos, and you guys can go check it out if you want. I did it to my purple truck. I actually showed more where I cut it, and I did everything more precise, I guess you can say it. But I don't want to record all the same thing. If you want to watch that, go ahead and watch that video. And that's why on this one I just kind of pushed through it because it was pretty straightforward now that I did it once. That's why I didn't record and I was cutting it and all the little details. But for the most part, that's it. Just taped it up, measured it, cut it, cleaned up the edges, mounted the window. That's it. So let's go ahead and get on the inside and finish up the project. Let me see where I forgot where I left off. I think last I said I was trimming the interior, which I already went ahead and did. My dad is putting together the inside. I just got to trim that top piece right here a little bit. I can put the ring around it and should be good. And then from the outside, all that's left is to seal it, and we should be good to go. Other than that, that's about it. We'll be done. Clean up the inside a little bit, clean up all this mess, and we're gonna tint the window also. But as of right now, that's where we're at. Just wanted to give you an update. Again, sorry that I'm not recording a lot. It's kind of hard to record and do what I'm doing at the same time. And I don't have a tripod because I broke it because I suck. So,
doing my best and doing what I can.
Yep, doing my best. So, that's how that is. And I'll get back to you. Alright, there it is.
Ahí está.
We didn't record, we're having a little trouble, but we got it. Put the interior ring on, screwed it down. I'm gonna trim this trim piece right here because it ran across. We had to trim it, bolt it back together, and that's it. It took a little longer than we expected, but there it is.
Ya, así que se quede tomorrow.
No, pues ya quítalo, pues ya andas ahí. Let me go ahead and go on the outside because we is done. And it's hot as shit in there. Woo! Hey, we're done. Keep showing y'all the same shit, sorry. I'll just wait till it's done cleaning the inside and I'll show you everything. So I'll be back. Alright, let's check this out. Hey. Now I got a shitload of windows in here. All that's left is to tint it, and that should be it. But for the most part, that's it, guys. Alright. It's hot as hell. Either way, there it is. Looking sick as hell. Hey. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments below. But for the most part, that's about it. All I got left to do is put sealer around the outside and call it a day. We done. But I'm gonna take a break first because I'm tired. Alright guys. A couple days later, I finished up the window, finished sealing it around, and my dad actually ended up tinting the window. He finished tinting the window because I didn't have time to do it anymore, so he did it himself. He said he ain't waiting for me, so he did it himself. But either way, there it is. Put in some new lights on the light bar. go from red to white. That when it puts it in reverse, they should turn on white. That's the window. Cool. Hopefully, can't really see nothing. The sun's in my face, but there's a truck. Got, I don't know if I mentioned, got them chrome pieces there. And of course the front end, got it all fixed up. Straightened out the hood. Got this new bumper, well, it's used. We've had it laying around for a while. Just had it here at the house. Put the bumper on. New stainless steel surround, new grille, new headlights. Like I said, this is just for now. Everything's gonna get a complete makeover in a few weeks. But my dad wants to change it up. Excited to see how that's gonna turn out. Alright guys, and that's gonna be the end of the video. Gonna finish up the video here. That's the final product. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Let me know if y'all like it. Let me know what y'all think about the window, the truck, the whole front end. Let me know if y'all like it. Let me know what's up. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see y'all on the next video.